Hi, on the Woodpecker today, I'm making a clothespin box. Renée keeps her clothespins in a small plastic container. She would really like something nicer. So I'll make a box out of cedar leftovers. I begin by ripping some wood in two. This is just enough, but this needs to be smoother than that. And I cut it to the right size. To make this box special, I'm going to join all the corners with hand-cut dovetails. When I'm done, I assemble the box. But it's only here that I realized that I didn't glue some boards together to make the top. When the three boards are glued together, I route a groove for the bottom. Reassemble the box and measure the length of the bottom planks and cut them. But those planks are way too thick. I take care of that right away. And reassemble the box once again. Since it's perfect, it's time to mark for the cover slope and cut it. And now it's time to glue this. I'm using slow set epoxy, but it's way too thin, so I add cedar dust to make it thicker. When I like the thickness of the glue, it's time to glue the box. And in no time, I can add a bunch of clamps. I just need to wait for the glue to dry. But I still need an L bracket to hold the box to our deck guardrail. I use butt joints to hold them together. When they're cut, it's time to glue this and leave it aside while the glue dries. Everything needs a good sanding right now. I also need to take care of the box slope. And since it's now flat, it's time to cut the lid. and make a nice round over on all the sharp corners. All done. Now I need to finish the L brackets. And now it's finally time to apply the first coat of finish. When it's dry, I apply a second coat. The next day, since the finish is dry, I can screw the hinges in place. Almost done. The L brackets need some holes for the screws. And finally, I can put it in place. Finally, Renée can put her pins inside her brand new box. Yes, I know, this won't change the fact that doing laundry sucks sometimes. But at least now she has a nicer box to look at. Because it's true that my dovetails look way better than the ugly plastic bin. Hopefully I've inspired you to make a nice clothespin cedar box, and see you soon for another episode of the Woodpecker.